Welcome back to Cleaning This Mess. On today's cleaning video, we are going to be giving 3 of our 4 dogs a bath and cleaning their kennel area where their kennels sit. I am already in my bathing suit. Samson here is going to be helping me. He is just in his underwear. But he's going to help me give the dogs a bath. My bathroom's small, so it's going to be kind of crowded, so I'm going to try to make this work the best that I can.
What the?
Yeah, I told you there was water in there. That's where the water for the toilet comes from. Be careful, squish fingers. So, without further ado, let's get started giving our dog a bath. What dog are we giving a bath first?
Elle.
No, Elle doesn't need a bath.
Eva.
Eva a bath. So we're going to start with our Husky and give her a bath first.
No. Ava. She doesn't like baths. Your camera's dirty.
Okay. Can they see Eva? Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what it's like to have a Husky. Hair everywhere.
Eva's done with her bath.
Now she's gonna go outside and go potty. So she's gonna go out to go potty, and then the other 2 are gonna get their baths. To vacuum, sweep, and mop where she sleeps so that she doesn't get re-dirty when she goes back in her kennel later. This girl's turn to have a bath. She just had her bath, and we are waiting for Gabriel to come and get her. And she's gonna go potty, and it's Nesi's turn to have a bath.
Do you want her to at least pee?
Did she poop this morning when you took her out?
Yeah.
Last but not least, it's little Nesi girl's turn to have a bath. Nesi, no. That's, no, we don't drink the bath water. It's got soap on it.
Oh, my toe. I toe.
And again, we're gonna pull the curtain and let this little girly girl shake off, and then I'm gonna dry her, and then she's gonna go outside and go potty.
Then I'm taking a bath.
Elle, go.
Where'd we?
Last dog to have a bath. The next thing on my list is I have to move these chickens, and I will do that with you guys as well. Oh, perfect timing because she needed to poop. Really glad that she didn't poop in the shower. That's awesome. But these girls need to move. They most likely have 2 eggs. They should anyways. Where's the other chicken? I'm missing a chicken. Oh, I found her. You haven't laid any eggs today. What? How do I have no eggs? I see we are building a nest. Can you lay me an egg? Hello. I'm gonna take Nesi back inside. I'm gonna change out of my bathing suit here, and I'm gonna get these chickens on some fresh grass. Come on, Nesi. She's not done. I'm gonna get the chickens on some fresh grass, and I will show you guys me doing that. She's pooping. I don't think you want to see her poop. Anyways, it feels really good outside. As you can tell, I'm not freezing. It does look like it's gonna storm. You see, it does look kind of stormy. We're supposed to get some storms, but we haven't got them yet. So, yeah. But for now, Still waiting on her to get done. But does anybody else have a dog that does this? Watch. I know it's TMI because she's pooping, but she walks and poops. Oh, she's not gonna do it because I'm trying to show you. Well, hello, cat. Hi. It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you. Yeah, nice to see you. But she walks and poops. But sorry if the wind is, you know, terrible. I don't have a thing over my mic. To be honest, I don't even know if this camera can have that. Anyways, apparently this little cat just came back up. It went away for like a long time and he's back. So I need to also give him some food now. But we're gonna lay Nesi down with Eva. Nesi, lay down. We're gonna lay them together. And then I'm gonna clean their normal kenneling spots and their normal spots, get the kennels moved back, move the chickens, and then I will let them out. So let me do that real quickly. This easy vacuumed. Eva threw up before bath time, so I need to get that cleaned up. But first I'm gonna vacuum this. Some multi-surface cleaner to clean up where she threw up at. And I'm just using this on my floors where they're at, and I will let it completely dry before putting their kennels back or letting Elle. I try to keep Elle out because I don't want them walking over where I just mopped. Elle, go. Alright, so the mop is soaking in some bleach so that it can be cleaned, and I'll wring that out shortly. I'm gonna go change into some more slouch because your underwear, I'm pretty sure, is on backwards.
Oh my god.
I just want to let you know that. So I'm gonna change into some more just whatever clothes because I still have some more cleaning to do today, and I need to, like I said, move the chickens. Can you focus on my face? Okay, good. And so yeah, and also, yes, I know I'm a little overweight. I have cellulite on my legs, on my butt. No, I do not care. So I'm just gonna go throw that out there. Don't care. Not gonna Photoshop it out. Not gonna Photoshop parts of my legs out of the video if it's in there. Just throwing that out there. I do not care. Don't care. It's part of life. So yeah. Okay, so ended up having to help Xander with some homework. Is there a cat? Is there a cat coming there? I ended up having to help Xander with some homework, so I'm getting out here a little bit later to move the chickens than what I would have originally liked to do. But I'm out here now, and I'm going to get to them moved, and I'm going to show you just how I move them every single day. Some days they have to be moved more than once. Some days they only need to be moved once. Today, actually, I don't think I'm going to be able to move them. I have two that are getting ready to lay eggs, so I'm not going to move them until they're done. Once they're done, then I will move them. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just end this video here because I'm not sure how long they're going to lay there like that. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's not. But I need to get this video edited and up, so I'm going to see you guys later, and thank you so much for watching this video of me giving my dogs a bath because they really needed it because it's been rainy here and they were just dirty, and I think I just found a bird's nest. Let's see if we found a bird's nest. But I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in our next video. There's a bird. Oh, I scared it. It's building a nest right there, and it's sitting right over there. The feather stuck in its hair. How stinking